What if I told you that you can learn Python, analyze data, build machine learning models, and train powerful AI systems, all without installing anything on your computer? And what if everything was completely free? Welcome to Google Colab, a tool that transforms any normal laptop into a powerful coding machine through the cloud. Today, we start our brand new series where I simplify Google Colab from beginner to advanced. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Troubleshooters, the place where we break down tech tools and make learning faster and easier. If you're new here, hit subscribe because the series will genuinely upgrade your coding and AI journey. In this first episode, we'll quickly understand what Google Colab is, why it's so popular, who it is built for, what you can actually do with it, and what you can expect in the upcoming videos. This is the perfect foundation to start your Colab journey. 1. What is Google Colab? Google Colab, or Colaboratory, is an online platform where you can write and run Python code directly in your browser. It works like a Jupyter notebook but runs on Google's cloud servers instead of your own computer. No installation, no setup, just open Colab and start coding. Whether you're practicing Python basics or working on complex AI models, Colab gives you a ready-made environment. 2. Why is Google Colab so popular? Colab is popular because it removes the biggest barrier, hardware limitations. You get free access to GPUs and TPUs, you don't need a powerful laptop, and everything saves automatically in Google Drive. It's fast, simple, and perfect for students and professionals. Plus, you can share your notebook just like Google Docs, making collaboration super easy. 3. Who is Google Colab for? Colab is for everyone who wants to learn or work with Python. Students, beginners, data analysts, machine learning engineers, researchers, or developers, all can use it. Whether you're learning loops or training neural networks, Colab adjusts to your level. 4. What can you do with Google Colab? You can write Python code, analyze data sets, create visualizations, train machine learning and deep learning models, build small automation scripts, connect GitHub projects, and even use free GPUs to run heavy tasks. Everything happens inside your browser, and everything is stored in the cloud. 5. What we will cover in this series. In the upcoming episodes, we'll explore the Colab interface, create your first notebook, connect Google Drive, install libraries, use free GPUs, run data analysis, build machine learning and deep learning models, and even create mini projects. By the end, you'll be confident using Colab for real-world work. So this was a quick introduction to Google Colab and why it's such a game-changing tool. This series is going to be super useful, so don't miss the next episode. Thanks for watching Tech Troubleshooters. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, share it with someone learning Python, and subscribe with the bell icon on. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep troubleshooting.